but it sure looks pretty, doesn't it? And John Deere guys like green, but red is a pretty color. Welcome back, everyone. Welcome back to Grassy Lake Farm. My name is Steve, and this is my story, or our story, of our farm here in Minnesota. So today we are going to bale some hay, and it's a little cloudy right now, but we should be able to make it no problem. So we're going to say hi to the kids. Got to do that at least. And this is Oscar. This is Scarlet, the horny heifer. Ooh, I got to put some fly spray on you guys, don't I? Yeah, I do. Oh, Scarlet. In a couple of weeks you're going to get a boyfriend. And hopefully it won't be the horny heifer for a while. For at least 9 months. Louie! Oscar, let me through. Thank you. How you doing, big guy? Hi. How are you? Yeah. Yeah, I gotta spray you guys. Don't I? Yeah, I do. Anyway, these guys have been enjoying the pasture. But today it's rather hot, so they decided to stay in the barn where it's cool. They don't have to deal with the sun being beaten down on them, so that's always good. And see that horn right there? So when he goes to his right, it's going right towards my swimsuit area. Aren't you, Oscar? Yeah, you are. You know how to use them. So we're going to bale some hay today. Already raked it. Raked it twice. Some of it I had to rake twice because it had clover in it, and sometimes clover does not dry very well, and I don't have the luxury of having another day to do it. It's going to rain tonight, so they say. So when I got to get it done, I've only have about 12 acres to do. I didn't cut it all because I knew it was going to rain, or they said it was going to rain, so I didn't cut it all. And I got like another like another 24 acres to do, so I got to get it done here pretty soon because it's almost the 4th, so I got to get it done. Oh, big guy. Oh, big guy. Oh. So anyway, we're gonna get going and do this. Anyway, so I want to show you something on the disc vine, and I did a short little video of this last fall. So what you're going to see is from last fall, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to just start this up, and you're going to see these things moving, going at about like half throttle, so it wasn't going very fast. But you'll be able to see how fast this goes. It was going so fast that the camera couldn't keep up to it. So I'm going to try to do it again this year, and I'll do some adjustments on the camera, put it at more frames per second. I don't know if the 4K will work, because doing it in 4K, it only works if you watch it in 4K. Otherwise, there's no reason to video anything in 4K, because everybody basically has 1080 and not 4K. But anyway, there's 8 of these things, and these things right here, when we start the machine, it'll go, each one of those things will go 2,500 to 3,000 RPM. That's fast. That's very fast. Each one of them will go that fast. And when we show you the video, you'll it's going to go so fast that the camera can't even keep up. So we're going to watch that probably right now. So anyway, I think it's pretty cool when you can see that disc bind going. I mean, it's really cruising. Like I said, each one of those is going about 2,500 to 3,000 RPMs. That's fast. And it's pretty amazing, and it does a beautiful job at cutting and everything. So I hope you enjoyed it. I think it's cool. Some people might not, but when you see it running, you're like, oh my God. That's why there's a cover for it. I'll show you the cover. They got like a little tarp right here so that no you know, like rocks or any debris will come flying at the tractor and hit the cab, hit the glass and break it. So I mean, it's moving pretty fast, and this is 1,000 RPM PTO. I don't know how fast the 540s go, but this one here will go, like I said, 2,500 to 3,000 RPMs. It's pretty fast. And we can see our wheat. It's looking pretty good. Very few weeds just on the edges. So it's looking pretty good. So we got this field here, then we got some across the lake that we're going to hit. Like I said, it's only about 12 acres. Got to get it done, got to get going on the hay. Just a little delayed this year because the tractor wasn't painted. Oh well, otherwise it would have been done about 2-3 weeks ago. So let's hook the tractor up to the baler and we can get this process going. Well, welcome back everyone. So this is a couple of days after baling of the hay. I got rained out when I was baling it. I only had about 3 more bales to go, but unfortunately it rained and I had to quit. So I only got about three bales out there. We'll have to get it. It's not going to be the greatest quality of hay, especially not for horses, but for cattle it'll be somewhat okay. but we'll get it off the field. But I want to show you this. On Sunday, I was able to take the lawnmower up to right where those weeds are right there. We got 4.5 inches of rain on Sunday night. And then Monday night, this is Tuesday afternoon. Monday night we got another 1.3 inches. So it rained quite a bit. So, and you can see that's how far away I mowed. And the lake is up about a foot. It rained a lot. So, and unfortunately, even if you look way over there, there's a wheat field. Well, the water is in the wheat field there, and this field here, this wheat field, the water is in this wheat field. So we have to cross a little bit of water to get to the hay fields. Oh well, so be it. But we're just going to go out there and pick the bales up and kind of get this portion of the baling the hay kind of done. You know, I don't have many bales to pick up. Like I said, it was only 12 acres that I cut. But look at the cattle. They're kind of like swimming in it. How you doing, Scarlet? And Scarlet's in heat again. A little horny heifer. Kind of missed it. Louie was trying to do her a favor, and he didn't quite get it done, did you there, big guy? Nope. He even admits that he couldn't do it. So we're going to go out there today, finish this up, finish putting the bales on the carrier. I do have them sold, so I'm just going to let them sit on the carrier before I take them over. There, I only have to go down the road a few miles. I want them to dry out. That's one thing about round bales. You can set them outside and they'll cure, they'll dry, because the way that they're bailed round, so it sheds all the elements and everything. You want to say hi again, Scarlet? You got that really wide-eyed look. Like you mean business. We have a tree down. Problem solved. Okay, everyone, this is going to be it for this video. Got the bales loaded. I'm just going to let them sit here, let them sweat out a little bit, because you know they had 6 inches of rain. So they'll just sit out here, they will cure. They'll get rid of that moisture, maybe not all of it, but they'll get rid of a lot. So please hit the subscribe button and also give the thumbs up or the thumbs down, doesn't matter. Like I always said, negative feedback is greatly appreciated, doesn't matter. Can't change the weather, so it's part of farming. You can't dictate the weather and you can't dictate the prices, so we'll make it. We'll do what we can and we'll get through it, no problem. So thank you, everyone. Hope you enjoyed it, and have a good day. Bye.